I'm about to reveal 2 secret websites to get free burner emails, so don't skip the end. Ready? Let's go. First, we go to www.mailticking.com. When the page loads, you'll see a pre-generated email address on the screen. However, I'll explain how to create one from scratch so you know what to do if you need to generate a new one later. The part that says click to copy is the automatically generated email address. If you click on it, the email address will be copied. If you want to create a new one, click on Change and then select the first option, a.b.c@gmail.com. Your new email address will be generated. After using this email to sign up on any website, click the Check Emails button. Right now, it says No emails received yet, but once the website sends a verification email, it will appear here. You can click to open the email and complete the process. This email address will remain active until you generate a new one by clicking Change again. You can use it on as many sites as you want. Our second website is emailnator.com. When the page loads, you'll see a pre-generated email address, but I'll show you how to create a new one from scratch, just in case you need it later. First, deselect all the options above the Generate New button. Only keep .gmail checked. 2. Click Generate New. Your fresh email is ready. 3. Hit Go to access the inbox. Loading might take a few seconds, but be patient. 4. Once loaded, use Copy to grab your email and sign up anywhere. Pro tip: if either site gives you trouble, just generate a new address. It usually fixes everything. Don't forget to subscribe for more hacks.